Hey everybody, this is Mark Rollins here, and today we're going to be reviewing two more Scosche products. Yes, Scosche, or Scosche, as I recall. I had a hard time pronouncing them last time, and I'm doing the same this time. So are the products different than what we had last time? Oh, I'd say so. I remember that I think what we had was a bunch of chargers or something. These two products are very similar to those that we've reviewed before. Actually, one of them is, and I'm going to start with that. It is a dash cam, and this is the NEXC2 or NEXC2. I'm not really certain if you're supposed to spell that out or pronounce it. It's one of those kind of acronyms. But I'm going to open it right now, and hey, before I show you this, this is just going to be a plain unboxing on this particular product today because here's the deal. For you guys to see a dash cam, it's probably better for you guys to watch the actual footage from a dash cam, which I did the other day for the, I think it was called the NEXC. We really went all out on with that one, and we got some really good footage on that, both their models that they sent us. And I really want to get some good footage on this one, because this looks like a really great dash cam. So I'll just take out some of the stuff here, and I'll take out the product itself. This thing, okay, first of all, look at this thing. It's got a lens on one side, and then I flip it around, and it's got the lens on the other. If I were have to say, okay, we have one lens that actually moves, and one lens that doesn't. I'm probably going to say that you probably want it this way, because this is a front and back type of recording sort of deal here. So you can basically get footage on the road facing front, and you can get footage on the back. Now you're probably just going to see the passengers of the car, because when I did my review of those NEXC cameras, I mean, they gave me some rear view cameras, but you really had to put them in some really tricky places if you wanted to get, say, a backup camera. And I'm going to make it very clear, this is not a backup camera. This is something that is good for the front. And as far as the back, you're going to see your passengers, and maybe that's what you want to see. Too bad there's no like screen or anything on that, but hey, as far as getting the footage on here, in fact, there's no micro SD card slot that I can see, and here's the reason why. I'm told this comes with 128 gigabytes worth of memory on it. I'm not sure how much that translates to. I think they said like quite a few hours on the road, but I don't want to give a number unless it's absolutely correct. So it's got the usual setup here, which is the, oh, okay, so it looks like it does a suction cup mount. Doesn't seem to be any 3M adhesive sort of thing going on here. I'm not even sure how this really works. Does this probably connects up? Maybe slides in there like that. Yeah, I'm not even, okay. I think I'm gonna have to do a little bit of, we'll do some more research on their other video on this. I feel like I really should have just got that though. We'll get it. Anyway. Comes with a cord that I believe is 9.8 feet. So yeah, you're gonna be able to stretch this guy. And of course it comes with the, what is that? Of course it comes with the plug-in right here. Oh, hey, look, it's USB enabled. So hey, if you got something you can plug it into, and it comes with 2 USB ports. That's kind of nice. So you got a spare one. Because this one is, yeah, it's USB. So, anyway, this one I believe runs you about $159.95, so it's a pretty decent camera here that we will try out. Let's just jump to the footage. So here's a nice front view of this camera here. It looks pretty good. Got a wide angle lens going on here. It was actually difficult to see which end is forward and which end is backward with this thing, so I'm pretty pleased with what I got though. And now we're going to discuss this particular product, the Rhythm Plus 2.0. This is one of these, what is this? Armband heart rate monitor. I'm going to be very frank with you. I am not really the audience for this because honestly, I'm not the type who has a Fitbit or a whatever those fitness bracelets or whatever that they have. I'm not really the guy who's ever used one of those. I think we have reviewed a few in the past. And my wife was really good at using them, but honestly, I never really got into this sort of thing. I am gonna just open it up here and just see what it comes with here. Well, as I suspected, it comes with the actual fitness band itself. This must be the charging cord. Some instruction booklets that just kind of fell out there. And then we'll get this thing out here. Here it is. Okay, so this guy apparently fits on your arm, and I guess he's gonna be able to give you some stuff you need as far as like your. See, I mean, I don't even know what stats to use here. That he sets your heart rate. Yeah, and chances are you probably use him with an app, and then he connects via Bluetooth, and he's gonna give you some warnings or something. Oh man, you know, this is like a whole culture that maybe I even need to get to. Am I gonna do another separate video on this where I set this up here? I don't know, maybe I will. First of all, maybe I can figure out how to get this thing on. How does this strap connect? Oh man, this is not, I almost want to say like this is not instinctual, but I'm sure there's some people out there just laughing at me, just going like, how can you not know how to do this? All right, no, I think, okay, looks like it just connects on like that. Tighten her up, get yourself a nice little fitness strap. I forget the price on this, but we'll put it on the article, and that'll be there. Anyway, so these are two great Scosche products with this, the NEXC2 or NEXC2 and this Rhythm Plus 2.0. And this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church with more Scosche products, signing off.